How's it going there, YouTube? Well, I'm still here. Been under quarantine here for the last week or so, but, that's what they tell you to do under this whole big deal that's going on, this COVID-19. I'd rather not catch that myself, but, well, I was up to try to get some paint for that W4 there on, Thursday or Friday, and everything was all shut right down, which, of course, that makes sense. You want to think about the tractor dealership's family soon and whatnot, so I don't blame them for shutting down one bit. But everything's under lockdown up here now as far as less essential services, as they say. Walmart and Zayres and whatnot, they're all open up here still. But you gotta go out and get something. You're gonna be waiting now. But anyway, I haven't done a whole heck of a lot this week. I did go out and do some stuff on the W4 there on, I don't know, Tuesday and Wednesday. But I'll take you guys up there in a minute and I will show you that. But all the Steam Show meet, as far as I know, anything I'm involved in has all been shut down for the next month or so. But I think I got some farm toys in here. I recently got, I don't think I ever put on video, so I wanted to kind of show you guys. I haven't done any unboxing or anything. I was going to put an order to Outback Toys there this week, but with the borders being closed, I didn't figure I'd even get them, so I now got to remember which ones they were. This little 660 Oliver showed up here a little while ago. Kind of a neat little tractor. See if I can get it here to knock everything off the shelf. Oh yeah, I'll show you guys that in a minute. I don't remember what it says on here. Beaver Falls. Yeah, Beaver Falls show 1991. Oliver 660. Kind of got a neat set of rear wheels on it and whatnot. So that showed up here, I don't know, 3-4 weeks ago. Never did make a video of it. The old fingernails come along there pretty good. I'm starting to trim some of the dead stuff off. Now there was a couple of 164s I did pick up there when I'm sometimes doing a parts run or a paint run or something. Maybe not really anything too significant, but I did pick up this, what was it, T900 Smart Tracks, New Holland. I don't know, I was at the New Holland dealer. I figured no point in wasting a trip. You might as well grab something to make the trip worthwhile, as they say. There's some other tractor in here I got now. I don't even remember what it was now. Anyway, wanted to put an order in Outback Toys. They had that retro paint scheme 7150 combine they come out with this year. New Authentic, and I wanted to order that toy tractor times 1030 case. And I do have an idea for another giveaway I'm going to do for you guys. I like to do a giveaway usually once or twice a year. I usually say, oh yeah, hey, it's for tractor show season, or hey, we're doing it like Gramps, so in the spirit of that, I'll give you guys a tractor or something. I think in the springtime here I'm going to do a giveaway, but this time I think I'm going to build something for you guys. I got a little idea planned out because I've seen something kind of interesting. It might be something along the lines of like an 8R series deer, or maybe a bigger Magnum. I might do a Magnum. I don't know. We'll see. But I seen that I was going to put in my Dakota Toys order. I was going to order the new Magnum. What is it? I don't even know what the model is. But it has a redesigned front end and the hood and all that on it. But I was going to actually order a set of the LSW wheels and tires for it, the low sidewall tires. I was going to do that and detail it up and whatnot. And then we'll just give it away to one of you guys. Just for why not purposes. I like to get back to my subscribers. I do read you guys' comments on the videos. I do read them. I just don't always have time to reply to them, but I really do appreciate you guys commenting on the videos. And the thumbs up in the videos definitely helps in the YouTube algorithm, and that puts me up higher on the YouTube charts, and then more people can watch our videos. Anyway, let's go outside and take a look at that W4. Oh, it did have nice to come outside and get some fresh air. Jeez, that sun is nice. A little chilly up here today, but it's about -4 outside, but it is still early springtime up here. Yesterday it was -14 first thing in the morning, so. But on Friday morning when I was, it was Friday, I went to Charlie's, I remember now, Friday. It was 18 degrees up here at like 8 o'clock in the morning. I can get used to that. I like the warm weather because that means tractor show season's right around the corner. Hopefully we have tractor show season this year. Anyway, I did have this W4 running there on, what was it, Thursday or Friday, something. See, now the days drag on. I don't know what day it is because I'm going to be home for another week anyway. I'm quarantined here, so. Oh, where did I leave off on you guys with this thing last time? Well, got this gear shift painted up. I did decide I'm going to leave this little chrome shift knob up there just for conversation purposes, or you know, when I do get it out to the shows. Say one of Charlie's boys or whoever when I bought the tractor from, they're in the same clubs as I am and whatnot, they'll see the tractor and maybe they'll even recognize it. So thought I'd leave that up there for conversation purposes. I started painting the platform plates up. I got the drawbar painted up. Painted this mount on here, full of dust again. Now, oh, would you look at that? I got one of the rear rims painted, at least the outside of it anyway. I discovered two things when I did this. Number one, it's a pain in the ass to paint something two-tone. Let's take it all apart. But I didn't feel like heaving this big tire off. So I had to move the 145 and the drawbar. Yes, my shop looks like a tornado came out here because I was going to plan to do that. Well, I got to save a job for next week too, you know. Anyway, I decided I'd pull the clamps off, paint it, and then I'm going to finish up wire wheeling all these clamps. I started to wire wheel them, but then again, I've only got just a spit of paint left in there, so that's why I went to Charlie's to get some more paint, but Charlie was closed up, so no paint. What are you gonna do, right? It's out of my control. The government can try to shut my tractor production down, and that doesn't mean they can shut my YouTube video production down, I guess. Anyway, tractor's full of dust again. I have to come in with the air blower and blow it all off, because I did start to pick away at the inside of that rim there too. I do have silver paint still, so maybe on Monday I'll come out here and I can start, I'll do the insides of the rims, at least get the rims done out, and I can do the inside parts and get some paint maybe next weekend, or who knows at this point. You see, been on cold weather all winter long, trying to paint all winter long, and then now as soon as the nice weather comes, lockdown. What are you gonna do? Anyway, I had it running there last week. I borrowed the fuel tank out of the little 145 there because I did want to paint that this weekend, but no paint. So yeah, I rigged up a little starting tank there. See, I just got a little hose clamp on the fuel line, and then I did get my battery booster charger, I should say. It does the 6 and 12 volt. See if I can find it here on the ground. Yeah, right there. Got that off Amazon. I think it was like 18 bucks shipped to my house off Amazon, so I was lucky to get that. Charged up the old battery there, and you know what? I gave it about a pull and a half on the crank and lit right off, right out of idle, so that's good to know. But I don't know how this battery's even charged up yet. It probably won't start right now because it's got no gas in it. I ran all the gas out of it, but well, good old 6 volt start. I had visions of rolling this thing out on Saturday or today. I was going to try to get the old 1828 started up, but she's a little tight for room in there now. I got tractors in the way and parts to this one in the way, and maybe if we get a nice day next week I can get the seat and steering column back together. I would like to paint it before I put it back up here, but at least getting it primed, I can put it back up there. I can move this thing out of the way and go from there. I'd like to get this little 145 out of the way too, but oh well. Oh, did you guys notice? I'll zoom you guys in here. I finally got that generator painted up. So, all comes to time, I guess. I was bored there last week, so I decided to have something to do. So, yeah, we'll just do what we can, and we got lots of wire wheeling I can go ahead and do and get some bolts cleaned up, and I can try to get some primer. I might have some primer here anyway, left over. Oh yeah. I just been using this stuff to get a Canadian Tire. It's like $8 a can or whatever. It seems to work good. That's been the go-to for pretty much everything I've used, so that's gonna work. But anyway, I might try to do some live streams for you guys here this week. I'll have some time to sit down and do something. So anyway, my camera battery is dying, but like I said, I've got some YouTube videos for you guys coming up, and I'll see you then. So anyway, stay inside and keep your hands washed, and we'll see you on the next one.